Welcome back to another video. In today's tutorial, we'll be setting up Google Sitekit on a new WordPress website. Sitekit by Google is Google's official WordPress plugin that allows website owners that use the popular WordPress content management system to connect to Google's most widely used tools. These tools include Google Analytics, Google Search Console, Google AdSense, Pagespeed Insights, Google Optimize, and Google Tag Manager. Additionally, once Sitekit is set up, we also get to see all our key data in a single dashboard within WordPress. So let's get started. There are two ways you can install Sitekit on your WordPress website. The first would be to go to the WordPress repository and download it as a file, which you can then upload in your WordPress dashboard. But for this tutorial, we'll just go in our WordPress dashboard. We'll navigate to plugins, then we'll say add new. Then we'll search for Sitekit, 2 words. It'll be the first result, and we can say install on. And then once it's installed, we can say activate, and then it should guide us through the setup process. Okay, let's activate. We'll start setup. So what you need for being able to set up Sitekit, you'll need a Google account. If you do have a Workspace account, you can also use that. Next, you'll be asked to sign in with your Google account. It'll ask for some permissions. Next, they'll verify that you own the website by placing some code on your site. Just give it a moment. Okay, and we're verified. Next, we'll allow them to show us metrics in our dashboard, and then we can set up Search Console. Search Console is Google's indexing tool, and now we can set up Google Analytics. So we might be redirected to the Analytics platform to set up Analytics. Okay, we can create a new account. We'll be asked for some more permissions. We'll need to accept the analytics terms of service, and then that should be it. It may take a few days before analytics starts. Analytics and Search Console begins to gather data. If you already have Analytics and Search Console set up, be sure to use your Google account that's linked to those tools, and you should be seeing your data within a few hours. And then if we look at the dashboard, on your main dashboard, you'll see a small widget which will summarize the data from the Sitekit dashboard. So on the Sitekit dashboard, there are 4 categories: traffic, content, speed, and monetization. So we'll give you an overview of your traffic, give you some Search Console insights like your total impressions and clicks from search. Then we can also look at what content is performing the best, as well as the speed of your website and how to improve on that. Then if you want to monetize your website, you can also connect AdSense via Sitekit. And then there are 2 additional tools which can also be connected. These are Google Tag Manager and Google Optimize. So to connect those, you can come to settings on the sitekit, then connect more services. And over here, you can select optimize if you would like to run A/B tests or tag manager. And yeah, that's it. Wishing you luck in setting up Google Sitekit and all the best. Cheers.